Crude oil yet again traded bearish. It has moved towards the next support zone at 66.5, 66.7, while it is natural gas which is rallied beautifully and hitting the highs, near-term highs, I will say. In last 2 years, we have not seen such levels, 4.5 plus levels. What to expect today from oil and gas? Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Let's start. First, we look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the end. Oil on the hourly chart, see it has taken a dip, retrace, and again trying to take a dip here. Very important for it to trade beyond 68, 68.5 levels. These are the levels beyond which it should turn bullish, and then you can expect a rise. Else, right now, what is happening after the dip here? It is trading sideways, I can say, or rather, it is trading bearish. Remember, on the downside, 66.5, 66.8 should be the next support zone. The stochastic has dropped here. It is already trading at the bottom, while MACD, after hitting the lows, have crossed over on the buy side. It is still on green. And if you look at the formation, see, whenever it has taken such dip to these levels, this is the fourth time in last 1 month or so, and it is trying to recover from these levels. This calls for a little retracement and a recovery in oil price. The RSI has just come out of the oversold zone. It is trading at a comfortable level. While when you see the MACD I have shared yesterday as well, see it is delivering lower highs, it is delivering lower lows, almost hitting the bottom of the channel. It is trying to bounce back. That is a very good sign here. The moving averages here are trading bearish. That is pretty clear. Also notice that second thing here is it is consolidated here. It is tried 3 times to break beyond 7. Failing to do so, we have seen the prices reversing. Now see the resistance 20 period here is offering here is very strong, and thus it needs to trade above 20 period moving average in order to confirm further bullishness. The stochastic right now looking downwards. The MACD, after hitting the lows here, has crossed over for the buy. Notice the MACD here is also almost at bottom, and it is trying to bounce, which is a very good sign for the bulls here. The RSI right now at bottom, though it has come out of the oversold zone. However, it is almost at the bottom, not trying to show a strength here. On the 3-hour charts, again, simple observation: the drop retracement, consolidation, and then the third round of drop. After the drop, it is trying to retrace, and how far it could retrace, that is what you should look at. See, lower highs, lower lows are there. The top of the channel somewhere here at around 16. And one thing is pretty clear: as long as it stays below 70, we should be cautious with the buys here. The inventory data today might bring little volatility to the prices. Be mindful of this. The moving averages here are anyways bearish. Stochastic at top. The MACD is almost at bottom. Wait for it to cross over in order to confirm a buy here. Right now it is almost bottom. Wait for this to cross over. The RSI is also oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. When you look at the 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation. Notice it has formed a reversal sign, then a bounce back, couple of retracement. I will wait for the next candle. In fact, with the next, even if you see oil trading above 67.8, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 68.2, 68.5, and 168.5, 68.6 is taken. We will wait for 69.2, 69.8 levels. Appears such a move appears to be difficult as of now, because beyond 70 anyways it's a reversal and it should rally, but on the weekly charts it does not support such a stronger rise. See, the moving averages here are anyways trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic rising. The MACD has hit a bottom here. Wait for this to converge, crossover for the buys. RSI coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to the daily, when you look at the daily charts, this crossover is pretty important. It is trading with divergence. It is suggestive of bearishness. And if you look at the channel here, see, this is how it has been trading: lower highs, lower lows. Notice the point that it is almost at the bottom of the channel, and from here a recovery should be there. Though the signs are not pretty much supportive of such a rise, but notice also this is the you can say, and at time it is trying to breach this zone. In the recent past, we have seen it is struggling in the same zone, and it is again come back towards the same level. So let's watch out how it behaves at 65, 67 zone. This is going to remain the most critical zone here for crude oil. As long as it survives this zone, we can expect a recovery and a reversal. Right now, too early to conclude. But when you look at the daily chart, see the candle, despite the drop, yes, it was outside Bollinger Bands. The body size is less than half of this complete move. This suggests that there is a possibility of a recovery. And thus on the upside, 68.5, 68.6, and 69.2, 69.3 are going to be the two levels. If these are taken, we can look forward to a move all the way towards 70, and then we can expect a complete reversal as well, though appears difficult as of now. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is almost at bottom. It has seen very good bearishness so far for the last multiple weeks, coming off from the highs at 80. It is now sitting at 67.5 levels. The RSI is dropped as well. So before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now the buying entry for crude oil is at 67. Beyond 67.8, you can wait for 68.1, 68.2, 68.5, 68.6, 69 and 69. Beyond 69.3, we can look forward to a greater move. See, very, very strong resistances now till 70. Be mindful of this, and a move beyond 70 should confirm a reversal. Till 70, you have to be cautious. Prices can drop again. While on the downside, now the selling entry has to be around 67 levels, or you can jump in a little early at 67.1415 levels. Below this, you can expect 68.9, and below 68.67 and below 66.9 you can expect slight bearishness all the way towards 66.5 and lower levels, where 65.8 should be the next target. Appears difficult for such a stronger drop. I am still in favor that it should find greater support here in between 65 and 67 zone. This is a pretty critical zone, so take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. If you see natural gas here, rise retracement, taking the support from the 20 period, again trying to bounce back one. But when you see the candle sizes here, see the bearish candles are bigger in size, the bullish candles are very smaller in size. We have to now wait for it to take a direction. It has to now trade beyond 4. And now beyond 4.4 is where you can expect another round of rise, which can in fact take it all the way towards 4.6 levels. See, every rise offset with a retracement, and every offset with the retracement follows with a bigger rise. So yes, it is trading bullish. Higher highs, higher lows are there, which is a good sign for the bulls. The stochastic is rising. The MACD has crossed over after a good rise here. It has crossed over for a sell. The RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts, when you look at it, is still room for further drop, but on the hourly charts, it is taking the support from the 20 period. What it can do, it can consolidate here. It will wait for the 20 period to come up, then retrace. And right now, I can see 4.3 levels providing it a very, very good support here. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. It is still trading bullish. And it is not that it cannot rise further. It is still a lot much of room available on the upside. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 3 hour charts, similar observation. Now notice on the 3 hour charts, rise, retracement, and it is again back to this bullish path. It has achieved higher highs, and it is still showing room for further rise. Not it is not showing any signs of major bearishness. Remember, the reversal confirmation, the bearish confirmation in net gas is only and only if it trades below $4 levels, which is the only level below which it should trade bearish. The stochastic looking down, the MACD is trading in green. It is not yet converged or crossover. It is still looking upwards. RSI coming out of the overbought zone here. Coming to the 4 hour charts, when you look at on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. One major swing consolidation. It is finding the support at 4.3, and if it trades below 4.3, you can expect another round of drop, which should take it all the way towards 4.2. Now notice again, rise, retracement, breakout here. It should continue on this bullish path. Let's see how far it can stretch the rise. Any move beyond 4.6 should be a confirmation of a move towards $5 levels very, very soon. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is trading very near to the overbought zone. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, what has happened? Rise, retracement, higher lows here, higher highs here. The highs of this channel are yet to be achieved, but yes, every rise is offset with a little retracement. And specifically, when you see the yesterday's candle, despite it is staying bullish, it is closing more than 50% of the complete move, suggests still there is bullishness left. And the second thing here is the body size. When you see here and here, the body size is diminishing. So I can say that now the move is going to be bit restrictive, not as compared to what we had seen in the last 2 days. It is not going to be so strongly bullish, and this suggests that on the upside the resistances are going to be very, very strong as long as it stays below the 4.5, 4.54. This is pretty clear. Though the moving averages are bullish, the stochastic is also rising, but and the MACD is also now crossed over for the buys. I can still say that the up move is going to be difficult here for net gas. And considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 4.3 6 levels. Expect it to move towards 4.4, first resistance 4.45 next, and then 4.5, 4.54 levels will appear. Till 4.5, 4.54, do not treat this as bullish. Prices can still reverse, prices can still come back all the way towards 4.3, 4.2, and the up move definitely is going to be a bit restrictive, though it is still bullish, but I will say be cautious on the upside now. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 4.3 levels, expected to move towards 4.26 and then 4.2. Any drop below 4.2 is a clear sign of further bearishness towards 4.1 to $4 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. I do not expect it to drop below 4, but then possibilities are. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel membership channel on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great, profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do what that is.